Honestly speaking, I've done everything humanly possible concerning Theo's issue. I believe he has vowed to become useless for life. No two ways about that.
Mata na gbe bia na eta afọ. Afọ to kari ibi ebido ma wogodo. Oya bụ na arụ mere. Lolo. It's not only you that thinks about Theophilus is bothering. It's also disturbing me myself. Theophilus say he want to become a celebrity. He want to become a Willow Logomba. Aburukututu mame chukwudi utokpa hodo sraka aka. Utokpa hodo sraka nedu nde tolo nde do telo obioma. Ko ji abo celebrity. O ji abo actor. Ihe na atore ka nna amaro. Lolo. N'igbaga eziokwu, let me tell you the truth. Coming for Theophilus being my brother's son, I know we don't have anybody in this family. Theophilus is -1. My brother don't have any son left. I'll not lie to you. So the earlier the better. I will advise you to remove your hand in anything about Theophilus' problem. When you go, when I'm looking around.
Daddy, why are you sounding like this now? You know it's not that easy. Theophilus is my only child. He's the only one that reminds me of his good father, my late husband.
Lola, listen to me, my wife. I know he's the only son of my late brother that reminds you about your husband. Oh boy. But let me tell you the truth. The earlier the better. If you continue having this your son in mind, you will develop BP and die premature one day. Chineke na we na yogi. Wopukwa aka. Ka nwata kere aja aka mere onwe ife dị mma. That is the only thing I have to advise you about. Maka ndụ e. Ha. Agbachakwa nge.
I've heard you.
Enwere ife isiri n'ụlọ ka m tinye ife n'ọnụ tupu nnawa.
Esiri m osikapa.
Hai, bịanụ.
Ka m daa ya n'ọkụ wetara gị.
Nwere nsogbu nne, nsogbu adịla.
Mama Theo! Mama Theo! Mama Ninja! Mama Theo! Mama Theo! Sorry. Mama Theo! Pardon? Hey, Theo, sorry. What happened? Hey, Mama Theo. No be small fly, you know. Theo from tree like this fly, fly reach ground. He break leg.
Ninja doings.
Ninja doings. He broke his leg. He fly and broke his leg.
Yes, ma.
Wow.
Hey. Theo, sorry. So sorry. Ninja, so now. Hey! No.
Where's so?
Oh, Ninja.
Dear. Ninja, please.
Sorry. Sorry. Ninja boy. Ndo.
Mama Theo.
What is it?
Did you see go?
Ninja.
Hey. Ninja doing.
Ninja boy. Ninja boy. I thought you said you can jump from 20-story building to 4, again to 10, to the ground. How come? Ninjas on Abajoko.
No break leg. Oh, bachapu. I want to not fragile. No.
Oh, bachapu. Bakunya kwanani yano. Bakunya eba bachapu. Ninja boy.
What would do them commando mbele ejiri bizin ne wote ka dem commando shiri wote wo na lote bia nwe gbaji okwu ihe mere m na o mekwere commando mi mana film anyị lecha emecha bịa gosizi otu esi mee film a na-egosizi mgbe ọ gbajiri ụkwụ ejizie ihe abụrụzie gawa ụlọ ọgwụ n'ihe mere m ihe n'ụkwụ
epu moto buru ha jebe ụlọ ọgwụ
ambụla ndị a na-emepụ
nwepụ mkpọrọ gị nwụpịụ apam sọ dịkwa mma apams ha na-eme nwepịụ ha bụrụ na gị jebe ụlọ ọgwụ ninja boy my foot ninja boy
Mama, you don't get me. It's not what you're supposed to do. Go bring hot water and press my legs so I go get straight to jump tomorrow because I have plenty tree where I go climb tomorrow. That Oji tree wait there for village square. I go climb that Oji tree from Oji tree to Ushishu Bemba. That small pear tree. If I jump from that one, then Kaigazi ne long konga kam get shiza wood now. Yes.
Well, it's long plan aga maka. Mananso wadi ho. Mma aga meet ye de Okoye na akwa akpati na junction.
Okoye kemro na baptism. Ama munyo.
Ko wolu ofu. Drogo no. Yeah. Me buriye. Tabe ya he. Eze chota no mo boys. Jam eguru mane. Ka ebe ya dị mma. Obo side ya. Ebe. Nebe ọ dị mma. Ka chọrọ ya no so side ya. Ọ ga-abi you wuchazie from ukwu ọjị tree fiam to ukwu be from ukwu be fiam to ukwu gịnị nkwụ ebuzie gị fiam buta gị ebe a meburugo waa zam efria jikọrọtazie gị ọnụ buru gị vuu yugwa onye ọbụla ezu ike ma mụ ama gị mezukwo n'ike Theophilus
ya uluko echichi ga na-echere m ya ụdị echichi ga na-eche ma eleti ga-echasa ga eli m nga ya ngo onye nwe ụlọ this is the position for the owner of the house. I no go leave here. I go bid upstairs. Now upstairs I go bid. I go bid upstairs. You don't see that they may educate old for your house. Now upstairs in build. Me go bid upstairs. I no go live here. I no go live here.
I'm not for here. Hey man, you said you are American ninja. As an American ninja, you ga na America. Ka hada ge mmiri ọkụ. Ka ndị ọcha dada mmiri ọkụ.
Na-eji engine make ha. Not on engine. They use engine do their own.
Hey, were engine men gi anano as American ninja. You man obo kita na ibu our village ninja. Ma akpọ ọnụ ndị village. But no, you are American ninja. Go to America. Write to them. Manachelo, you can't. Can you?
I'm going to make the Italian daughter. I'm going to make the Italian. You can manage, you know. Why she no yabo pogese kwa American ninja my foot. America. Sha! American ninja. American ninja. Theophilus, the American ninja. Nonsense. Go. efe. Dance for me. Let's go. I know you as a good dancer. This one you are wearing a canopy. Where are you going to?
This is not canopy. You got one Yoruba man. He came today to marry my sister. I am the chairman of the occasion. That is why I have to dress like international government officialism. I know.
Yeah. But the person want to marry your sister.
I'll be the one know why.
And now you be the chairman of the occasion.
Adequani Hozo.
The occasion don't spoil with that. Anyway, you have to dance more to show them how you are going to dance there. Are you understanding me?
I saw you people that day.
So you danced.
Yes.
You danced well that day. Oh yeah. Because of time.
Okay,
In fact, let me use a girl and see you off.
Okay, no problem. Go for me.
Hey, I'm gonna go there this week. Ha!
Onye ka m fụrụ? Hey! Chineke me. Chere. It is not like I'm not fine. Are you the one I'm seeing?
Yes, I'm alive, bro.
What a miracle! I want a miracle. Eh?
I don't know where the rumor is coming from.
Oh, that's a Igbo piano. My people don't like here.
Yes,
Piano
I'm alive.
La chupa me panato cielo. Ona fugo nandiro muchelanga nwe. Owamo ebe chigo chelanga ganiro. Hey, chilekere. Nam. Hey. How? Chukwu ka abịama. Ekele dịrị gị Chineke nna. Na ihe nwa ka I mere m n'ezinụlọ. Di bichala m anya mmiri Jehova. Ofu nwanne m nwoke fọrọ m. Hey! Chimo! Ese mba nje ka ndị shọ. Ọkwa ya, omise ho. Omise ho. Nnatere. Ọkwa ya. Tere mepe. Nna m nche nna m.
Ofobi. Ọganiru. Ofobi.
Ọganiru.
Ofobi.
Ọganiru.
Ọganiru.
Ofobi.
Ihe onye ga-abụ n'ụwa.
Ka ahụ ka ọ ga-abụ.
Ebe akara anyị ji bi ụwa.
Mmadụ apụghị ịnata ya.
Ajọ mmụọ na ajọ mmadụ.
Ha na-eme na nkịtị.
I don't hear this. Ihe onye ga-abụ n'ụwa
ka ahụ ka ọ ga-abụ.
Ihe onye ga-abụ n'ụwa
ka ahụ ka ọ ga-abụ.
Oginekwa.
Ogene, what is it?
Parato, your brother Ejike is back to the village.
Which Ejike?
Ejike, your uncle, the one that was supposed to be dead, is back.
Ejike came.
He's back. I just said I should come and tell you.
Ejikato.
He's
back.
He's back.
He's back.
Theo.
Now move continue. Give me some. Give me some.
I'm just
I was even thinking, I said, what am I going to do? My only brother that is left. My brother. That devil is it.
Onye sigi nwo ya nwụkwa onye sigi nwo ya nwụọ onye sigi anwụ ya nwụrụ onye sigi anwụ wo kweli baby hey le kwesi ndata wo tineke na ye wuti hapo awu bere bubu na wo hey chele ti aka do we wo mo Theo plus be ti aka
Theophilus. Oh, Diego, my brother. This is your brother. You has been going up and down, telling people that was dead.
No one for where.
As you can see, he's very much alive and healthy.
Very, very.
Yes. Omisri.
Oh, uncle, you will not blame me now. No be me, Kosa. Now waiting, I say I talk. Inside that film, I still say.
Sorry now.
Inside that film, I see where somebody carry gun, enter in office hotel. Where machine gun hotel. See why only show to obra show te milielu si otumo obra chire me putanya mini show te gbaptam na wonye ga hu ga eburu nwanne happy back so as I take see am na so I take talk am, it no be my fault.
That is film trick, eh? That's the role they gave me. Yeah. Acting, a role of a bad man who was later assassinated. Eh? Nobody want to kill an actor. People are loved all over the world. We are loved all over the world. Eh? All film trick. It's not real.
So, you actors are loved all over the world.
Yes.
As you are loved all over the world, nobody will kill you.
No, we are role models too. A lot of people all over the world. Eh?
Nah, you can't talk about if I become Nigerian actor of Association Nigeria Company, if I become the art inside movie now, I will love all over the world and nobody will kill me.
It's okay, nobody will kill you.
Hey! If I become actor, I'm gonna choose no kuna. I'm just talking because nobody will kill me. I'm not choosing. Hey, there's one of your movie where I watched last time. That film. Hey, within you answer self. Anna Boga Ebu Gaba na that film. That is your name in that film. Ebu Gaba. Inside that film like this, you live inside one big compound like this. Plenty motor car, plenty motor car. Even me, I can't sing motor car, plenty motor car inside that compound. Not only motor. Cause you different girl wey carry big bonbon. I see somebody wey resemble ANOKWUTE. I see somebody wey resemble Amaka Alaba. I see somebody wey resemble one years old. Yeah, we stainless. That 1 year old wey get big breast. And so all of them come line up. And so you my uncle Ejike, you like better thing. You go dey you name me hotel. You name me hotel. I came hotel. Mama rise on. I'm hotel. Saturday the miri hello. Wa me happy oh. Hey, there's one wey be say inside room you can't carry big blanket to take na why ma unu ekpuchi onwe unu tari ihe unu mege n'okpuru ngwa amadu kwa mo mana m na-abịa na ihe na-eme shaka apịa hey dedem riwo ụwa si ya mmechasị nwunye m nwoke zikwa n'ike ka ekpere anyị na-ekpere gị ọrụ ihe nọ nga anyị otu akwụna akpati amote hey baby what this is one of the art your wife Annabem what how should they feel if they watch you do all this thing with your
just
man?
movie or acting it's not real
So you don't get many him.
not
I talk about the mama. Mike, mege binato. Agula. If I start my own, everybody wey me and art go kurumala. Onye mere m ka ihe nwa. Onye mere m ka ihe m ga-awo Solomon of our time. Onye m gara. I'm not going to
till you become an actor, it's okay.
Onye ọbụla.
Till then.
Atomra mo. So this is when you talk now, say they shoot you and you no come down. What of all this my you know them commando? Their commando Nayana Jebuzilin. Well, Blibrizlin. There's one action war film I watch Brazilian, they go come carry bomb, carry machine gun, no take now why pushing them man, commando go come, she na rample no take war whim. You will bomb both money mapa. We so theater. People go die everywhere.
Nobody's dying. Nobody died. It's film trick.
Anyway,
I believe off him.
no gonna pokesh.
Nah, back in or make mistake. Back in or make mistake.
Hey, film 3
Film trick, yeah.
Hey.
You believe where you are there, man.
Okay, yeah, film 3.
Yes,
yeah, what she na me film.
Film trick.
Okay, prick. Hey.
My brother.
This guy will never change.
I'm going to tell you. Seriously.
He will never change.
What happened is this, please, as you can see, let's try to see what we can do to help him out, please. As you're going back now, please put it in budget. Let's try and see what we can do to help him because he doesn't want to go to school. Go up, why didn't you actually go up? They are not able an actor. They are able
school.
Nam. They are able an actor. You are not a camera. They are able a willow logo, Babukutu to Mama, all those kind of things on the put on every day by the Amma maybe don't know where the village here come. So let's see what we can do to help him.
I go my open school. He's gonna go past through school,
right? My brother, in affirmative with Iche Onyema. Please, you have traveled far and near. We beg you get a job for Theophilus. He has really traumatized our community.
I will see what I will help him.
This place, our community, is no longer in peace. He has given us a lot of trouble here.
Just one person.
Yes.
Osama bin Laden.
My brother Ejike, please look for something tangible in work and give to Theophilus.
Right. I got you.
Just like I said before, he has really traumatized our community.
I got you.
Please.
I got you, yeah?
Work for who?
Theophilus.
Oh, you very bad. We are no longer safe. This idiot. We are no longer safe here. My hands are not there. He will disappoint us. It is better to engage him in something. No way. Only I can disappoint this family.
Your red cap will disappoint you. Huh? Oh yes. This red cap where you carry for head like a basket, it will disappoint you. It will disappoint you now and forever. Just look at yourself. When you're not job. But the belly person. Among all the people in this village, see as you find better cap, we get chandy shea bego. Yeah, basket. Bang. All your family problem buy a bogey and you come here now, they don't give you 1960. You dey here, they swallow them like John away swallow fish inside the Bible. You know no bang chage pogena queen.
Ichoyama, can you hear this? No, have you heard this idiot? Theophilus. Anyway.
Theophilus.
If he insult me again, I will leave this drink and go.
Leave him.
I will leave it and leave.
You will leave it and go.
Theophilus.
You dey open up.
I will leave this drink.
Theophilus. You're talking to an elder.
If he's an elder, let him talk like elder.
I will live here.
If you be elder, talk like elder. Yeah, elder one man.
I will live here.
Don't worry. You go live here, you catch your cup. Drop it and go.
I will live here. This is nonsense.
Ejike, I called you here because I need you to speak to Theo. Yes, he said he wants to be an actor like you.
Theo, an actor? Okay.
I'm serious. He stopped going to school. In fact, he refused going to school. I have done everything within my power. Nothing. He said he wants to be like you, like your wife. You are an actor. You are successful. You have this, that. He wants to be like James Bond. Throw bomb, throw this, shoot gun, all sorts of nonsense.
He's really serious about all this he's been saying in the past.
Yes. Please, I need you to speak to him. Make him understand the importance of education. Right. Let him understand that education is the key. Education is power. Knowledge is power. Please. Okay. And I believe that when you talk to him, he will understand. Sure. Because he sees you as his role model.
Sure, he's going to listen to me. You don't need to panic. Don't stress yourself about that. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You listen to me. Yeah, it's okay.
I have done everything within my power.
So where is he now?
Ha, Ejike. No, by this time. It's not possible now. Or Chijie, he will come back home. Fill his stomach. Vam and continue from his room. Pico.
Okay.
When I wasn't missing too much.
Okay, that's all. Is that why you were bothered on the phone? You almost scared me about it. It's okay. It's okay. So bad. It's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine.
I
just ate. I'm heavy. It's fine. Yeah, sure. That'll Theophilus. Why is it that everybody is not happy with you? Your mother, my brother, everybody in the village, they are all complaining about your character, your attitude, all the messed up. I'm not happy with you. I'm not really happy with you. Get with the problem. What's your challenge?
Okay, what me any challenge? I don't get any challenge. Leave my mama, my uncle alone. They are barrier to my career. When you are how? They are barrier to my career. They don't want me to go forward in life. How can they say me to go to school? While I keep on telling them, say, na actor I be, na actor I want be. Everything where they inside this brain. Na actor. I don't know I never day one day the thing they come and say school no be waiting there inside me na actor I want be. I keep telling them, but they want to force me. Ebru girls school, ebru low school. I told them, say, I won't be actor. Actor no be this umururu actors in that name na village you. Urukumuru actor nda na wagarita hete powder. Especially na kitchen me foundation. Me ka na emeka shebi. Iyem chori iwu commandos. If you say commando for American ninja film, give man on me. Owuke lenke jerebuzin. Hey! They them Jebruzin, you take one gaga like this. You would bomb on your bomb, bote, nyayote. I won't honey now, quote out of potato out on our thought. Cause you lake China, Jackasan. Can they make shit? I oh, ma, look at them to you move home. Walele. Ninja boy. Ya beauty. Udi ninja woga wote ya tajira na haja ya bote ya rigrongo te ya no ya seti wote piu pom ya boka pa tai tajanga ya wote pam ya pam ya mweka kabure bombote tim. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew.
We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.